Hello, another day, another review. Share ko lang yung L Square Hotel located in San Rafael, Tarlac. Along the highway lang ito kaya easy access sa transportation. Ito yung front desk. So yung room na na-assign sa akin is located on the second floor. Wala nga palang elevator dito. So pagpasok niyo ng room, makikita niyo na may table and chairs. And then ito naman yung cabinet. And katabi lang nito yung mirror. And then, andyan din yung remote control para sa TV. Kaso nga lang, wala nga pala ditong fridge. So, meron din palang bottled water, electric kettle, coffee, tea, and creamer. Meron na din ditong telephone and ito yung double-sized bed. So, yeah, if you like this room, you can book it via Agoda using my promo code for discount. Ito naman yung toilet and bath. And then, as you can see, merong sink. May bidet na rin. And ito naman yung shower area. So, meron na dyan hot and cold shower and shampoo and shower gel. Ito naman yung restaurant ng hotel. So, kasama na sa binayaran yung breakfast. Plated nga pala yung breakfast dito.